At Agam, we know every project starts with a lot of decisions. That's why we created this new sample kit. Inside, you'll find a curated mix of our extrusion systems, Nexus components, connectors, and finishing options. The goal is simple: to give your design team something tangible they can touch, feel, and experience while they're figuring out the best way to build their project. In the past, we had separate kits for Nexus and traditional extrusions. With this new kit, we've brought them together so you can see how both systems work on their own and how they can work together. The kit includes a range of extrusion profiles, from smaller VS45 pieces to larger VS76 and 108 series components. These give you a sense of scale, structure, and flexibility when designing walls, frames, corners, and horizontal spans. Some pieces are designed for fabric applications, including lightbox style construction and SEG fabric holding. You'll also find components like multi-corners that allow graphics to continue around a post for more seamless visual effect. The kit also includes versatile square profiles that can be used as posts or horizontals. These are especially useful because they allow clean connections, multi-channel options, and flexible design configurations. On the Nexus side, you'll find frame samples and connectors that let you explore frame-to-frame connections, Nexus-to-view frame connections, and different corner possibilities. We've also included an SEG graphic in the kit that highlights the beautiful print quality. We've also included a sample of our 3D printed parts. This represents another area of growth for Agam, giving us the ability to create custom caps, curved parts, and other specialized components that may not be possible through traditional extrusions alone. Ultimately, this sample kit is a hands-on tool. It helps you explore options, compare systems, and understand how different parts can work together before a design is finalized. And of course, you can always lean on the Agam team. We're here to help you choose the right components, solve design challenges, and bring your ideas to life.